hi.
Hey, Kitty.
Am I interrupting?
Of course not. Come in.
Are you all right?
Sure.
And where's Richie?
He's at the playground. Sit down. I've got some coffee on. Would you like some?
Oh, please. Oh, look, you made a cake.
I know, it didn't work. I thought it was going to work. I thought it would work better than that.
Honestly, Laura, I don't know why you find it so difficult.
I don't know either.
Anyone can make a cake.
I know.
Everyone can. It's ridiculously easy. Like I bet you didn't grease the pan.
I greased the pan.
All right. But you have other virtues, and Dan loves you so much, he won't even notice. Whatever you do, he's going to say it's wonderful. Well, it's true.
Does Ray have a birthday?
Sure he does.
When is it?
September. We go to the country club. We always go to the country club. We drink martinis and spend a day with 50 people.
Ray's got a lot of friends.
He does.
You both have a lot of friends. You're good at it. So how's Ray?
Ray's fine. Hmm? These guys are something, aren't they?
Yeah, I can say that again. They came home from the war. They deserved it, didn't they? After what they've been through.
What did they deserve?
I don't know. Us, I guess. All this.
You reading a book?
Yeah.
What's this one about?
It's about a woman who's incredibly... Well, she's a hostess and she's incredibly confident, and she's going to give a party, and well, maybe because she's confident everyone thinks she's fine, but she's not. So,
Well,
what is it? Is something wrong, Kitty?
I need to go into the hospital for a couple of days.
Kitty.
Some kind of growth in my uterus, and they're going to go in and take a look.
When?
This afternoon. I need you to feed the dog.
Yeah, sure, of course. Is that what you came to ask? What did the doctor say exactly?
It's probably what the trouble's been about getting pregnant. I mean, you know, the thing is, I've been really happy with Ray. But now it turns out there was a reason. There was a reason I couldn't conceive. You're lucky, Laura. I don't think you can call yourself a woman until you're a mother. And the joke is, all my life I could do everything. I mean, I can do anything, really. I never had any trouble. Except the one thing I wanted.
Yeah.
That's all.
Well, at least now they'll be able to deal with it.
That's right. That's what they're doing.
That's right.
I'm not worried. What would be the point of worrying?
No, it's not in your hands.
That's it. It's in the hands of some physician I've never met.
Kitty.
Some surgeon that probably drinks even more martinis than Ray. And no doubt always takes a 6-iron to the green. Whatever that may mean. Of course, I'm worried for Ray.
Come here.
I'm doing fine, really.
I know you are.
If anything, I'm more worried about Ray. He's not good at this stuff.
Forget about Ray for a minute. Just forget about Ray.
They're sweet. You know the routine, right? Half a can in the evening and check the water now and then. Ray will feed him in the morning.
Kitty, you didn't mind?
What? I didn't mind what?
Do you want me to drive you?
I think I feel better if I drive myself.
Kitty, it's going to be all right.
Of course it is.